Hey guys, so we are dealing with a stuck valve, and like any other repair right now, it is extremely difficult to get it done. So we have been fortunate enough to find a tech who's driven about 90 miles to get here, who's making the repair, and in fact even under warranty. So in this environment, techs are not the only solution, but getting an appointment in a shop right now can take as long as 2 months. A lot of dealerships aren't booking appointments till the end of the year. So when you have emergency repairs, using a tech is really not just the only solution, it's the best. So I'm with Leon of RVers
Mobile RV
Repair.
Yeah.
In Tillamook, Oregon, and he's come all the way down about 85 miles to help us out. So as I was saying, the techs are the saving grace of us RVers right now. So yeah, that's an interesting question. So out here, it takes you just a reliable 50% more?
50 to, well, I'd say 75%, maybe 125% more time based on the environment. I've got rocks I got to deal with. I've got unlevel ground I got to deal with. I don't have a shop where I can run back and forth from a parts bin. You know, it may be necessary to run down to the regular hardware and pick something up.
Right.
But, you know, I do what I can. Every time I run into a scenario, I add it to my van. But that's a limited scenario again. The van's only so big.
Right.
I'd have to have an RV to drive around to do RV repairs.
To do everything.
Yeah, to do everything quickly,
yeah.
You know, and a little more efficiently. I don't think it's, you know, I'm personally am not into spending time on the clock.
Right.
So the faster I can do a repair, the better I feel, you know, about our relationship.
Yeah. So what about parts? Because right now, parts is...
There's a lot of lag time.
Yeah.
Lead time, lag time, whatever you want to call it. The distributors, local and abroad, for me it's Portland is my local distributor.
Right.
But even abroad, Dometic, Lippert Components, Carefree of Colorado,
yeah.
They are weeks out due to the recent influx of people into the market.
Yeah.
There's two scenarios that did that. One, people don't want to be locked down anymore.
Right.
So they got up and left, and they bought RVs to do it.
Right.
The other one is
guilty.
Right. And then there's the other part of our American family that is were relegated to move in. You know, they were forced to take what they could because their businesses were closed.
Yeah.
So for me,
they're surviving on the road.
Right, they're doing what they can.
Keep their home.
They couldn't keep their homes, so they moved into their RVs. And,
oh, wow.
And they're taking jobs that they can get, you know, a lot of them. But for the RV industry, it increased over 500%.
Wow.
Sales, service, every aspect.
That's a big number.
It is.
Yeah. Well, you've done an amazing job for us, and so we will put the website up for Leon's business. And if you're anywhere along the Oregon coast, highly recommend them. So, thanks, Leon.
Thank you, sir.
In your eyes, the ocean met the sky. Time that has gone by. sky.